Graham with 101. I wanted to talk to you guys about maintaining your roof and different things that you can do to maintain your roof. You may not be in a position to replace your roof. It may not even be time to replace your roof, but there are things that you can do to maintain it to actually extend the life of your roof. So let's walk through a couple of those things right now. One of the first things that we do when we evaluate a roof is we take a look at the penetrations. What's going on around the penetrations will tell you a lot about how long the roof is going to last, because most of the leaks and most of the problems that happen on the roof happen around the penetration. So let's take a look. Here, we actually, when we go to actually do a service plan or maintain a roof, we're gonna nail down and re-secure these nails and also put sealant on top of them. We're also going to reseal where this actual flashing meets the pipe. This joint right here, the sealant wears down over time, so we want to make sure that that's resealed. And then we're actually going to repaint these pipes so that they don't rust out. So here's another example, right in here, okay? The other thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we cut back these shingles further from the flashing, and that allows a good solid waterway. You want about 2 fingers of a distance between the edge of the shingle and the edge of the flashing here to allow for a good water channel. This side needs to be cut back just a little bit more. The other thing that we look for is we look for loose nails and fasteners. You can see this. We'd actually pull this nail out and put a new one in. We'd actually put in new screws. These are rusted out. We would reseal this skylight.
Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Ready to book your free inspection? Check the link in the description box for more information.